In this video, I'll guide you through how to verify a company on Indeed so your job postings look trustworthy and professional to potential candidates. Verifying your company helps job seekers see that your organization is legitimate, which can improve both the quality and quantity of applications you receive. First, you'll want to log into your Indeed account and head over to your employer dashboard. This is the central area where you manage everything related to your job postings, candidates, and company settings. If you're not already on the employer side, make sure you're using an employer account rather than a job seeker account because the verification options only appear in the employer dashboard. Once you're on the employer dashboard, look for any banner or message that mentions verification. Often you'll see a notice or prompt that says something like verify your account or verify your company near the top of the page. This is Indeed's way of letting you know that your business hasn't been fully verified yet. If you see that, it's a clear sign you're in the right place. Next, you'll want to find the verify company option. This might appear as a link, a button, or a section in your account or company settings. If you don't see it immediately on the main dashboard, try looking for a settings or company profile area, then scan for anything related to verification or business confirmation. The wording can vary slightly, but you're looking for something that clearly refers to verifying the company or confirming your business details. When you click the verify company option, Indeed will walk you through a series of steps to confirm your business. These steps usually involve one or more types of verification, and the exact method you see may depend on your account and region. One common method is email verification. In this case, Indeed may ask you to confirm an email address that matches your company's domain, such as an address that ends with your business website name. Using a company email helps Indeed confirm that you're genuinely associated with that organization. Make sure you have access to this inbox so you can click the confirmation link they send. Another method is document verification. Indeed may request official documents that show your business name and details, such as registration records or similar proof of operation. Before you start this step, it's a good idea to have clear, readable copies of your documents ready to upload. Check that the information on those documents matches the business name and details you entered in your Indeed profile to avoid delays. In some cases, Indeed might offer domain verification. This usually involves proving that you control the company website associated with your business. The platform may ask you to verify a website domain by following instructions such as adding a specific record or confirming a link sent to an address on that domain. Work through each on-screen instruction carefully and double-check each detail as you go. Once you've completed the required verification steps, submit your information and allow some time for Indeed to review it. After they approve it, your company will be marked as verified, making your job postings look more credible and reassuring to job seekers.